In this video, we're going to talk about how to recover your deleted TikTok videos. Now, if you mistakenly deleted your TikTok video, you won't really be able to recover that exact video that you deleted. However, if you have saved it previously or uploaded to any other platform, you can download it and upload it. But you won't be able to get the same likes or views that particular video previously had. Now in this case, what you can try out is try to contact the support team of TikTok and try to see if that solves your problem. For that, just tap on the three lines on the top right, open up settings and privacy, just scroll down to the bottom and tap on report a problem. Once you're on the report page, you just scroll down to the bottom again and tap on submit a report. Once you're here, you just type in the exact issue that you're facing, which is you mistakenly deleted your TikTok videos and you want to recover them. And you just tap on submit. Now this may or may not work out. You can just try it out and see if it works for you. So that's all you can do. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.